Hi everybody, it's Robin from Talks from the Heart. In this video, I'm going to do 3 monthly spreads in my Erin Condren vertical. This is where I do I use full-fledged sticker kits, and then I do the monthlies. And in the monthlies, what I do is on the Mondays, I write down the sticker shop that the sticker kit for that coordinating week is from, so that I don't have to rely on my memory at the end of the year. These 3 kits I've purchased with my own money. It's from Pookie Bear Cuties, and it's no secret that her and I are close friends, and I'm happy to spend my money with her in her shop. So this is 2 of the kits are the August and the June are original artwork from her, so I really love that. And so here I'm showing you, I just keep the spreads pretty simple. I started out putting paydays and stuff, and I'm like, I just stopped doing that because I just need to know what the sticker kits are like. So this is the second time me doing the voiceover, so I'm really going to try to stay on topic. Let's talk about how our planner journey began, because I think about where I started and how I got here, and it's so interesting and fun. Like, I can remember buying my first planner at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I think it was a Personal Rings, and not fully understanding what I was watching on YouTube when I was watching like people doing stuff like this, Erin Condren vertical. I remember buying from a sticker shop. I'm not going to name it because I'm not going to bash this shop because there's no reason for that. But the stickers, I thought I was buying Erin Condren vertical stickers, and I actually purchased Personal Ring stickers, and so I got really frustrated. And so there's a big learning curve to this deep rabbit hole that we all live at the bottom of. And the one thing that I've learned about YouTube, having a channel since the first week in October of 2016, is that I am not alone. I have learned through many of your comments that we all live very parallel lives with this hobby, this wonderful hobby that we enjoy. And I think it's super important to realize, though, that there are new people coming into the community. And this is why I like to do videos like this, because we can show them the good way, the bad way, the bye-bye to your paycheck way. I don't know. But we can just share our experiences with them. So I would love to hear below how you got started. Maybe even what was your first planner, or when was your first moment when you realized, oh my gosh, I'm a planner girl. Yay. Pre-COVID, let's say that. There were a lot of planner channels, a lot. Like, I think her name was Viv. She used to do massive planner hauls. And Holly Plans, I miss her so much. She did great videos. She's not doing videos anymore. And so there's so many people. And the channel, you know what? I will link Holly's channel below, because even though her videos are older, I still think you can learn a lot from her if you're new to the community, and I just think they're so much fun. So here I'm just adding the quarter boxes to the Mondays to coordinate, so I can write down the sticker shop of the sticker kit that I use in the weeklies. The terminology also, there's a learning curve. All right, so now I'm going to go to June. This is new artwork from Pookie Bear Cuties from Elvira. It's so cute. All right, I have to be mindful about where I'm going to stop talking, because I did add a section into this video, kind of an ASMR section, where when I tear off these big strips of stickers, there's this just sound that comes from the sticker sheet that I just love. It relaxes me so much. So I want to make sure that I have a good talking point where I have a break from that, so that you guys can experience what I experienced. So since I asked you, how did your planner journey begin? What was your first planner? I will tell you mine. Mine actually began with Pocket Letter Pals and art journaling with Diane Reevely. And it morphed into suggested videos from YouTube. And all of a sudden I was starting to get like planner video suggestions, like from Holly Plans and the Reset Girl. I don't buy from her anymore, but and then I saw all these like wonderful stickers with beautiful florals and things like that. So I started investigating at my big box stores, Michael's and Hobby Lobby. Okay, super sorry for that abruption in the video, but listen, I'm just a small town girl in the upper Midwest making videos. And I'm one of those people where I'm like, even a simple video like this can take 3 to 5 hours. So I'm not going to worry about being an amazing cinematographer. I just hope that you guys enjoy hanging out with me. All right. So back to my story. I started just investigating planners and I started watching YouTube videos. I will tell you that YouTube has infected me as much as it's infected you guys through my videos and other planner videos. It's a great way to learn about subcultures, hobbies, and stuff like that. So I really appreciate YouTube. I've learned so much. But so I got really heavy into art journaling and again, then simultaneously into journaling. Foxy Fix, do we not miss that company? I do. Foxy Fix TNs and stickers and everything like that. And eventually I found myself where I'm at today. And it was just kind of a natural progression. So these are the 3 spreads, and I so appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys had fun. And I love this one the best. That's why I landed on it. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye, everybody.